Okay, so in this video I want to show you how to create map with SQL using our new Wherobot connector. So I will start from first from Dekart workspace creation. So you go here, you create workspace, click create workspace. Now you create a map. So, and in this step, you already created your first map, and now you can add data, and there is multiple options what you can do. And now we have a new option. So before we had BigQuery, Snowflake, and now we also added Wherobots. So I click here, and here you can see all our family of our connectors. I click Wherobots, and here I need to create my first Wherobot connector. So here you already have pre-filled connection name, host, and now you need to enter API key. So API key, if you can see here there's a link, so you can click it and you'll be directed to your Wherobot account where you can see your API keys. Now you need to put one of these keys here. So I have already like one key prepared. I'm gonna put it here, right? So now when you put a key, you can also will have auto suggest in your runtime. I will use medium runtime for this demo. And also for the region. So I will use this region for the demo. So now you're gonna click test connection. So, and after test connection, you click save. And now you will be navigating back to your map, where you can now see that you can add data with SQL from Wherobots. I'm gonna click, and you can actually start, just click here and start from the test queries. So in this stage where you can see pending, it means that this session ID on the Wherobot side is being created. So essentially like a cluster for your queries is being connected. This may happen, take longer on your first SQL query, but then on the consequence query, it will take no time. Okay, now you can see it running. And you got data. So this simple query, it loads just like 1,000 Starbucks from Wherobot open data for square places. But there's no problem for both Wherobot and for Dekart to load all the Starbucks in United States. Let's try it. As you see, it's get running much faster now. And note that all Starbucks in United States, it's 22,000 points. It's actually just 300 kilobytes of data. This is because underneath, for the first time with Wherobot connector, we use Apache as a transport, which is very efficiently encodes data. So let's style a map a little bit, and pretty much you see a map with 22,000 points of every Starbucks in United States. So, okay, let's create a more interesting map. So here I go to, again, I create a new map, then click Wherobots. And now I will use the query which I prepared. Why this query is interesting? Because it uses actually spatial function, point and distance. What is cool about Wherobots is that actually you can like type here standard and you can see the complete list of the functions. And you also should check the official documentation, because Wherobots and Apache Sedona perhaps have one of the most comprehensive list of geospatial functions. So, but I use these two functions. Essentially, it will go to Wherobots over to your map foundation building dataset and select buildings within 2 kilometer radius at this point, which is pretty much center of Berlin. Click execute. Okay. And now you can see buildings are loaded. So again, I can go here and style them. Here it's 10,000 buildings. So So yeah, that's how you can create a maps. And then actually once you create a map and you're happy with it, you also can go to this share button, and here you have multiple options to share it. You can share it public for everyone with a link, and then you can even see analytics who clicked on the map. Then you also can invite people to your workspace. You can also give people access in like different permission within the workspace and so on. So for example, I can share this map with everyone with link. I click here. And now I can copy link and send it to anyone. Okay, thank you for watching and have fun.